Introducing the 2026 Zontes 368D. The Zontes 368D arrives for 2026 as a formidable contender in the mid-size maxi-scooter segment, effectively bridging the gap between agile city commuters and long-distance tourers. By bumping the displacement to 368 cubic centimeters, Zontes has achieved a significant power increase while simultaneously stripping nearly 20 kilograms of weight compared to its predecessor, the 350D. The Zontes 368D is powered by a liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine producing 38.7 horsepower, delivering a power-to-weight ratio similar to many 400 cubic centimeters rivals. It features a 6.75-inch TFT display with navigation mirroring and real-time tire pressure monitoring. The scooter also comes fully equipped with a built-in front dashcam, dual-channel ABS, and switchable traction control, plus rider-focused features like an electronically adjustable windscreen and a third-generation keyless ignition system. The Zontes 368D stands out for its agility, combining increased power with reduced weight to achieve about 22 horsepower per 100 kilograms. It offers strong efficiency with fuel consumption around 3.5 liter on 100 kilometers, giving a theoretical range of over 300 kilometers per tank. While not officially limited, the scooter is expected to cruise comfortably at 130 to 140 kilometers per hour, with a potential top speed of 150 to 160 kilometers per hour. As of early 2026, the Zontes 368D is positioned as a direct competitor to the Yamaha XMAX 300 and Honda Forza 350. It typically enters the market at a lower price point while offering more out-of-the-box technology like the DVR and TPMS. Are you planning to buy this motorcycle unit? Let me know in the comment box below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, you can leave a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.